Today I'm gonna take my senior pictures, and I woke up like 3 hours earlier than I'm supposed to go because I take a long time. But right now I'm gonna curl my hair, and it's already like curled, but it's because I had like a pep rally. Here is my hair, and it's like I barely just kind of like woke up. It's like kind of curls, but I'm gonna curl it with this, and it's like 3/4 inch. So we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'll see you guys. So this is how my hair turned out. Like, here's the back. Oh my god, it looks weird. Does it look weird? I probably curled it wrong, but you know, I'm just gonna take like a cap and gown picture, so it's not that important. But after, like, I will comb it, like when I'm about to go, I'll comb it so it can look not like this, but it'll look more natural. And then after, I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So yeah. So I am done with eating breakfast, and I'm gonna like wash my teeth, and I'm gonna change my shirt because then, like, if I do my makeup, I don't want to like take it off and then put it back on and accidentally smear something. I'm gonna start with my makeup, and I look so ugly. And no, I'm not naked. I'm wearing a tube top because I have to wear a tube top for what's it called, for my senior picture, because they're gonna put a shawl over it. I'm just gonna like do my thing because I have no idea what like senior picture is supposed to be about. I know it's supposed to be like no glossy stuff and all, but I don't have like matte foundation or anything, so I'm just gonna have to use concealer like for everything. I don't know how to do this. I'm scared that it's gonna come out like weird. I searched up like supposed to have matte stuff and all, but I don't know. I don't have any of that stuff, so I'm just gonna have to make do with what I have. Okay, so I don't know if this concealer is like my shade, but we're gonna find out. It's too light. I look like a ghost. I look like a ghost, but you know. This is medium sand. I probably should have tested it out. So I'm gonna use the other concealer. I never looked so cakey in my life. What the heck? I should probably just take this off. I feel so weird. Like, I never put this much makeup on me, so like I'm trying to like blend it. Oh my god, my forehead looks a different color. I'm so dumb. Like, I really did this before my senior picture. To think that that concealer is actually my shade, like, I'm so dumb. Like, I'm probably gonna have to use this for primer. I look like a whole different color. So I feel so dumb and stupid, but I'm gonna have to take this off. Like, only I would do something like this before, like something important. At least I know that that concealer is not my shade. Like, this is why it's important to know your shade. Like, don't ever like not know your shade. Okay, I feel so much better now. Alright, so I'm gonna have to reapply everything all over again. I did it. It looks my skin color now. I don't look pale. I don't look like a ghost, but it's almost time to go, so I'm in big trouble now. But I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, sometimes like I comb my lashes out, but I can't comb it out because I can't find the shade. I'm gonna put these lashes on by Lash Dream, so I'm just gonna like plop them on. I'm not gonna put eyeliner. Like, I searched up that the eyeliner like makes your eyes look smaller, and every picture I have been getting, my eyes have been looking smaller, so I'm not committing that mistake again. just gonna kind of let it dry, and I put it on quickly because I have the quick set lash glue. I'm not sure how much exactly I'm supposed to wait for this glue, but I just do it like kind of like right away. Okay, so I'm also gonna put on a matte lipstick because I can't wear lip gloss and I love lip gloss. So you see these are long ass lashes. I'm gonna use this mascara to make my eyes look bigger just in case they look small. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna bronze a little bit so I don't look completely pale. I'm gonna use this big ass brush. Oh my god, it's like, okay. Oh my god. This is going wrong. I hate this. Okay, so I'm gonna contour my nose with this little brush. And finally, highlighter. But I'm gonna use this Fenty Hustler Baby. Set this. So I'm gonna use this Milani lip satin, and it's in the shade Velvet. Okay, I think I'm finished. Is this how it's supposed to look? Oh, shit. Okay, I'm gonna be done right now. I'm gonna fix my hair. I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. Hello guys. So it's been almost a year, I think, from when I took those videos. I found them in my old camera, but I got back my senior picture. This is how they ended up looking. So first off, long lashes were not the move. My eyes still ended up looking smaller. Also, I parted my hair in the middle and it made my face look like weird and crooked. Well, that's in my opinion. But if you guys want bomb senior pictures, everybody who did their hair to the side looks so much better than me with my hair in the middle. So that's another tip. There's this one little thing that irritates me so much. This is my senior pictures. This is how they ended up looking. As you can see, there's something right here. You see this? These are my beauty marks. And sorry, the camera's like inverted so I can't really see. Can you see what's missing right here? My beauty marks. They removed my beauty marks from all my pictures. You see? But, you know, I don't know. It's too late to do anything about that. Anyways, I'll just put up more pictures here and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.